Good morning. Welcome to your daily weather briefing at 10 a.m. We have some mostly sunny skies out there right now. We did have some thunderstorms earlier this morning. Saw some heavier rainfall south of the Wallops region. Some locations seeing over an inch of rainfall south of the Wallops region, but here at Wallops we just saw around a tenth of an inch of rainfall with some thunderstorms south of us. This afternoon we'll see a slight chance of a pop-up shower or thunderstorm here at Wallops with a better chance north of the area along the Maryland and Delaware coastline. Looking at our sounding from this morning, we're at freezing level at 12,900 feet. Winds out of the southeast at 4 knots in the low levels, becoming northwesterly from 3 to 6,000 feet, and fairly light, 5 to 10 knots. See our winds increase and become more southwesterly up to 25,000 feet with a peak wind at 29 knots this morning. Looking at our surface analysis, we did have an area of low pressure as well as an upper level area of low pressure just off the coastline, providing those showers and thunderstorms earlier this morning. Continue to move off the north and east. We'll have a lingering weak trough across the region today, as well as some sea breeze boundaries moving onshore that could provide us with those isolated pop-up showers and thunderstorms for the afternoon hours. Overall, we'll just be summery with humid and warm conditions across the region. Looking at our satellite imagery this morning, we can see we have Zago's 16 satellite imagery. You see we have a weak convergence boundary that's currently across the central portion of the Delmarva Peninsula. It's extending southwestward into the Chesapeake Bay. Could see a shower or thunderstorm pop up along this boundary right here. We should see some sea breeze boundaries move in off the water, and that will give us additional convergence or localized convergence across the region for these pop-up showers and thunderstorms. You can really see the spin in the atmosphere across the northern and northeastern portions of the Mid-Atlantic region, with this weak area of low pressure that moved through our region last night, providing areas New Jersey and New York some rainfall this morning. Looking at our radar, you can see that area of low pressure associated with the showers and thunderstorms currently across the coastal section of New Jersey hasn't quite made it up to New York, but looks like it will have some rainfall across that region. I did see some thunderstorms embedded in this rain showers across the coastal section of New Jersey, as I mentioned. Not really seeing much here in the local area, but just some continued typical showers and thunderstorms along the Gulf Stream this morning. Looking at our high-res HRRR model for today, you can see we're moving out into the afternoon hours. It's 2 o'clock. You can see the showers and thunderstorms popping up. This is kind of highlighting the Delaware and Jersey coastlines. I do expect us to have some pop-up showers and possibly thunderstorms across the central Delmarva regions, or region I should say, in the Salisbury area, possibly making it down here at Wallops. Continue on. Here's 5 o'clock this evening, looking like those showers and thunderstorms kind of peaking around 3 to 5 o'clock across the central portions of Delmarva Peninsula, and then weakening thereafter. We'll have additional weak shortwave moving through the region tonight. That could provide us a shower or thunderstorm. Only about a 20% chance of that occurring. The HRRR's not really showing much of that activity, but some other models are showing it, and there is a chance of that occurring. Moving to Wednesday afternoon in the evening hours, we'll see showers and thunderstorms developing along the Appalachian Mountains. It's going to move towards our region for the afternoon, evening hours, giving us a good chance, a likely chance of showers and thunderstorms, especially during the evening on Wednesday. Looking at our GFS model, I give you an idea of what the long-range weather may look like. Here's our Wednesday morning. You can see pop-up showers, thunderstorms possible during the early afternoon, and then we'll see that line of activity with scattered showers and thunderstorms moving through the region associated with a frontal boundary. That should move through during the evening hours, giving us those likely chances of showers and thunderstorms. We'll also have a fairly good amount of instability across the region, as well as a more active wind field in the upper levels that could provide us with some strong to severe thunderstorms across the area tomorrow afternoon into the evening hours. And we move into Thursday. It looks like Thursday is just going to be a hot and warm day, or hot and humid day, I should say, across the region, with a possibility of a pop-up shower along the coastal sections of Maryland, as the GFS is pointing out here. Looks like it's a slight chance of that occurring. And then for Friday, we'll have an additional upper level disturbance moving through with stronger cold front that's going to be providing us with some chances of showers and thunderstorms across the region, especially for Friday afternoon and evening. And then we move into Saturday, we'll have an area high pressure moving in, giving us very nice conditions, lower humidity values, temperatures in the 80s for both Saturday and Sunday. So it looks like a beautiful weekend to start our possible any outdoor activities that we have, or anything you want to do outside for the weekend. Looking at our temperatures for the day, we'll have high temperature around 86 degrees. Temperatures tonight will be in the mid-70s, around 75 degrees. South winds 8 to 13 knots, becoming southwesterly at 6 to 11 knots. We'll have winds fairly light this morning, anywhere from southwest to west to 4 to 8 knots. And that'll allow for those temperatures to jump up into the mid to upper 80s across the peninsula today, with those winds out of the west to southwesterly direction. We will have this slight chance of showers and thunderstorms for this afternoon, looking like a 20% chance of those occurring. And then tonight we'll have an additional 20% chance of showers and thunderstorms across the area, with that second upper level disturbance moving through the region. For our 24-hour terminal forecast, we'll have those chances, a 20% chance from noon to 4 o'clock, or 1600 local. And then for the overnight hours, we'll see a chance from 2200 local to 5 local on Wednesday, with that 20% chance of showers and thunderstorms. By tomorrow morning, we'll just have mostly sunny to partly cloudy skies, with a broken deck at 25,000 feet, and with the ceilings at that level. Our tides are slightly above normal, and looking at Wednesday through Thursday, Wednesday will be partly cloudy skies with showers and thunderstorms likely during the late afternoon and evening. Some of the storms could be strong with gusty winds. Breezy, hot and humid with a high of 89 degrees. We'll have orange for precipitation and lightning. Winds yellow for greater than 25 knots. And then ceilings and visibility could be seeing that reduced with any of those thunderstorms moving through. And Wednesday night we'll have partly cloudy and mild temperatures, a chance of a shower or thunderstorm early, a low of 75 degrees. Yellow for the precipitation and lightning. And then for Thursday we'll have mostly sunny to partly cloudy skies and high conditions, a high of 90 degrees, a green chart across the board for our Thursday. Looking at the next 7 days, we'll have that 20% chance of isolated thunderstorms today, a high of 86, thunderstorms likely tomorrow, a 70% chance with a high of 89, then 90 on Thursday and Friday with a better chance of showers and thunderstorms, and a scattered variety on Friday afternoon and evening, with a high of 90 degrees and that chance at 40%. Saturday, Sunday will be very nice conditions, as I mentioned, great for any outdoor activities, lower humidity values, temperatures in the mid-80s, 84 on Saturday, 86 on Sunday. And then for Monday, for the possible RockSat launch, looks like we'll have a area high pressure really controlling our weather continuing through Monday. Some of the models are putting out a weak front moving through Monday morning, but overall not really seeing much confidence in that front actually moving through. Most likely will just be high pressure in control, very nice conditions, partly cloudy skies, temperatures in the mid-80s for highs, with an overnight low of Sunday and a Monday of 70 degrees. Well, that's going to complete our 10 a.m. weather briefing. I hope everybody has a great day. We're back tomorrow morning at 8:15 and at 10 a.m.